According to the United Nations, humanity generates around 2.3 billion tons of solid waste annually, of which only 55% is managed. This could be even more aggravated because it could exceed 3.8 billion tons by 2050. On the other hand, the sewage generated, around 46% of the planet's inhabitants do not have sanitation services, equivalent to 3.6 billion. The current coverage of solid waste and effluent management is precarious, very expensive, takes a long time to install, and also causes damage to the environment. To change the scenario of highly costly treatment, it is necessary to generate revenue by transforming waste and effluents into inputs. Make sources of raw materials from the vicious cycle of the linear economy less attractive, with the supply of raw materials more attractive in quantity, quality, and price, from a virtuous cycle through the circular economy. Thinking about the low coverage of solid waste and effluent disposal by traditional high-cost technologies, the TORNA solution was born with different technology and business model, which can be provided through compact, fixed or mobile equipment, construction, installation and rapid process, by lease, turning problematic solid waste and effluents into a sustainable opportunity for growth and environmental recovery. The TORNA solution could be an important tool for the circular economy to meet the sustainability objectives of the United Nations. Any sector that generates waste or effluents may be covered by the TORNA solution. From agribusiness, from solid waste, from effluents, from mining, we will present some sectors of great demand and immediate profitability. Brazil alone generates 80 million tons of solid waste per year. According to the Solid Waste Panorama, around 290,000 tons of solid healthcare waste were collected. Only 30% of this waste had adequate disposal. 203,000 tons of solid healthcare waste did not have adequate disposal. This waste has a revenue generation potential for the TORNA solution of more than 1 billion reais per year. The annual generation of sludge resulting from traditional effluent treatment exceeds 81 million tons, where 78 million tons are generated in water treatment plants and 3 million tons are coarse solid waste from sewage treatment plants. 100% currently has high costs for adequate disposal. If you use the TORNA solution in this potential exploration niche to meet just 5%, it will be possible to earn more than 2 billion reais. But how does the TORNA solution work? Reduction of solid waste by crushing, homogenization, and sterilization by thermal shock, without changing the original characteristics. Centrifugation. Separation of materials as inputs for sale. The extracted liquids can be mixed with external effluents for electrolysis, generating hydrogen and oxygen that are returned with ozone for flotation. Chokes térmicos. Submissão a ultravioleta. Centrifugation. Here, effluent materials converted into inputs to be sold are also separated. Once filtered, all resulting water is available for reuse. No chemicals are used in the process, which is monitored in real time, managed by a multilateral platform, taking a maximum of 2 hours. TORNA is incubated in the Itaipu Technology Park. Received first place in the first edition of IH2 Brazil. Integrates the team, experts in finance, planning, dissemination and interinstitutional relations. Has specialized legal representation. In engineering and communication there is institutional technical support. Continuously develops and improves technology with a multidisciplinary team. Founded by José Luis and Paulo Ricardo. The technology began development in 1994. Founding the company and carrying out practical tests. Continuation of tests, recognition, awards, invitation to incubation and receipt of patent. Beginning of the creation of artificial intelligence, and prospecting with partnerships for assembling equipment. Definition of a partnership for assembling equipment, and start of operation of a mobile and a fixed multifunctional unit. In the same year, application start of operation, customer registration and revenue generation. The following year, outsourced assembly management via application integrated with artificial intelligence, generating revenue.